Alright, hey guys, Lucky from Busted Stud Garage. Today we're working on the 2006 Envoy Denali. Complaint we got here is it's reporting low oil pressure. So let me show you what that looks like real quick. Come with me. Start it up. It's oil pressure low. Okay, and then it goes away. So that's a little concerning. I'm going to take a look at it. We think it might be the oil pressure sending unit. Let's take a walk, take a look at that real quick. Come with me. Alright, so that thing right there, you can see the top of the oil pressure sending unit right there. Looks a little weepy. So we're thinking we're going to swap that out. So, got a new one right here. Pretty good. So, you need a special socket to do this. It fits over that oil pressure sending unit. Here's the socket I got. And here's what I'm going to try to take it off with. I'll let you know how it goes. Hang on there. Alright, here's the old one, and here's the new one. You can see, looks like the old one was leaking a little bit. So, we're going to swap that out. It goes right back in there to get it. I showed you the tool to get at it. So we're going to throw it back in and see if we fix the problem. Alright, got the new one installed. Got the wire clipped back on there, pretty straightforward. I'll tell you, this little clamp back here for the PCV valve bit me, so watch out for that. Might give you a little cut, but basically there's how to get at it without taking anything off. Took about 5 minutes. Try to start the car here and see if that fixes the problem. Turn it on. Well, you got oil pressure. Seems pretty good, so I'm going to give this fix a try, and we'll see if it solves our problem. If you guys have any comments about this repair or questions, put them in the comment section. Once again, thanks for watching Busted Stud Garage. Have a great night.